Hello and nice to see you again on the CrocFIX channel. We have here the new Samsung Galaxy A26 smartphone, and as you see, the problem is that it's locked. So if you forgot your screen lock, your password, your PIN number or your pattern to draw, then this video is for you. Please watch closely every step what I will do. Because if you just make a false step or press the wrong buttons, it won't work. Keep in mind that after this procedure, after this reset, you will need to know your Gmail account and your password which was associated with this phone, otherwise you can't activate the phone. So this video tutorial is only for removing the screen lock and if you know your Google account and password. All data on the phone will be wiped and erased. There is no way to keep the data, unfortunately. So if you write in the comments that you want to keep your data, the answer will be sorry, no, you can't keep the data. Okay? So just to mention that I put really a lot of time and effort in these videos. If it did really help you, then maybe you can share some donation for a coffee or something. The donation links are in my video description. Much appreciated. Thank you. Okay, so now let's go to the procedure and unlock the phone. So what you will need is the phone itself, which is locked, and then you need an USB-C cable connected to your computer or to your laptop. It won't work if you connect it to a power supply, power charger, then it won't work. All right? So you can also connect it to another phone, tablet, PC, Mac, whatever. It just needs a signal here, okay? So let's connect here the cable. After you connect the cable, you need to press here all three buttons. This is the trick. So while connected to a device, you need to press all three buttons here. Volume up, volume down and the power button until the phone restarts. And when you will see that the phone restarted and you will see here the Samsung Galaxy logo coming, then you need to release the power key and the volume down key, but you keep holding the volume up key. I know it's a little bit tricky, but let's go try it on. Firstly, turn on the screen, then press all three buttons here and keep holding, still keep holding until the phone restarts, still keep holding, still keep holding. Now you release the power button and you see this happens. So I wanted to show you that if you just release the power button but you keep holding these two buttons, then you come into the download mode. And this means you are wrong. So if you click now on volume up, it will continue to a download mode, which you need Odin software to flash the phone, so you don't need that. So we want to actually restart and to cancel. So we just press volume down now. This means it will restart again in the Android mode, in the Android system. And we need to repeat the procedure again to erase the phone and to erase the screen lock, okay? So now we wait until the phone boots. Alright, so the phone booted, okay? So now let's go again. We click all three buttons. First, turn on the screen, click all three buttons until the phone restarts. Still keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, still keep holding. Now you release volume down and the power button, but you keep holding volume up button, okay? When the phone restarted. So you just keep holding the volume up button all the time until the phone comes into the recovery. This maybe won't work for the first time, so this is good, so we can try more times, okay? So let's just wait again. So these are all three problems which you can see which can happen. So now I show you the right mode. You press all three buttons, volume up, volume down, power button together, until the phone restarts, and you keep holding all three buttons. When the screen goes off, you release volume down, but you keep holding volume up and the power button. Okay? Okay, let's go. All three buttons pressed, holding, 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 still holding. Now you release volume down, but keep holding volume up. Now you release all three buttons when you see the Samsung Galaxy logo coming, alright? And that's it. So, you need press all three buttons. When the screen goes black, you release just the volume down button, but keep holding these two buttons. And when you see Samsung and Galaxy coming, you release all buttons and just wait. Then you come into the recovery mode. And when we are here in the recovery mode, you go through the menu with these buttons here, side buttons, and you go down and you click on Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm with the power button here. And then again, you go down, confirm that everything will be erased. You confirm, wait that this is done, and that's basically it. And then you need to click on Reboot System Now. So the screen lock now was actually partially removed. Now the phone will start again, and when you connect it to your Wi-Fi, then it will ask you for the screen lock again, but you will have here down the option use my Google account instead. Then you click on that, and then you can activate your phone with your Gmail and with your password, and this will make your your phone work again. And that's basically it. So please let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you want to say thank you, if you have any other questions or any other comment. Your donations are much appreciated, and I see you in the next video. Your CrocFIX.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.